Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing something very exciting. It's my new editing laptop. So I decided to go with the MacBook Pro instead of the MacBook Air. And this is the one with the M1 chip and it's the bottom model. So it's the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 hard drive, solid state drive. Hopefully this will be good enough to edit my Blackmagic Pocket 4K B-raw files. So we'll see that in another video. I'll just unbox it in this one and then we can test it in the next video or the one after. I'll take this wrapper off and then I'll show you. So here we go. Well, next thing I'll probably drop it. You know what my unboxings are like, crazy. Okay, here we go. Now there's a bit of a less of a reflection, hopefully. Let's see, I'll show you the specs of the bag. And let's look inside. So I'll just try and take the cover off here somehow. This is very mid-air, as my unboxings are always a bit unpredictable. So here we go. Whoa. Oh, and I went for the space grey colour. I think there's like 3 options or something, can't remember now. So there it is, nicely tucked in the box. I love the way Apple packages everything. It's always so... Oh, I think it's 1.4 kilo or something. It said it's got a bit of weight to it. So laptop there. Let me just show you what else is here. So we've got the USB-C, both ends. And what else? Little booklet or whatever's in there. I think it's a booklet. Let me have a look. Probably a sticker. We'll have a little look-see. Yeah, there is a sticker and just some I guess an info on there. Let's see if I can unfold this. So there and there. I think it's just how to get started. And what else? That's it. Nice little envelope that it comes with. And the power pack. So one last thing. And I guess these are probably switchable for whatever country you're in. I'm assuming there's a little let's get this thing off. Where's the beginning? There we go. Oops. I feel like I'm not unwrapping it right if it's tearing. I think it's probably designed to come off like that. Anyway, here we are. So yeah, I think that comes off depending on what country you're in. You could probably switch them, I'm assuming. And there's your USB-C. So, oh, and I'll give you a close-up of the info on there in case you want to know the wattage and whatever else. So that's that one. And that's the empty box. So now I'll just give you the look at the laptop. Take this cover off. Oh, it's like an envelope. Ooh. So there's that front, and let me see the back. And this one has only 2 ports there, so that may be an issue going forward. I don't know, I've never worked with so little plug-in options. I think that might be the headphones. And let me just open it up. Whoa, first time. Oh my god, it's booting up already. Whew. Yes, so I'll give you a close-up of the keyboard as well in case you want to see what that looks like. So I might just set it up off camera, as that's probably a bit boring, and then I'll do some more videos testing it, etc. If that's what you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments. And I hope this unboxing was helpful. I know I like to always see unboxings and what they come with and the little tiny specs that a lot of people don't show. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you do, just let me know, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!